So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of WhatsApp abnormally controlling a lot of storage, consuming a lot of storage on your iPhone. For example, WhatsApp here is consuming around 6.5 GB of storage on my iPhone, and its measure of that is the documents and data of the WhatsApp. Now, in order to do it, just simply control it. Just simply open the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, go to the settings of the WhatsApp, and here you'll see this option of storage and data. And once you go over there, click on this option of manage. Now once you go over there, here you'll see the amount of data that have been consumed by WhatsApp with their other with the detailed analytics. And you can remove the larger files from here, the many times forwarded files as well, and you'll find multiple storage details that have been consumed by any particular chats as well, so you can easily try freeing the storage from here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.